I will not tell you if it's not true.
Hello guys, vlog ka ulit.
Spiky!
Mag-vlog ka ulit. Hi,
Hi.
I'm EJ. So, what did you say?
I'm Eric. I'm EJ, and today I'm riding a horse. Because today it's my vacation.
It's my vacation.
Yeah. And look at our horse. And look at my sister and my dad.
Who your third dad?
It's per hour. The bluebird.
Taas mo kamay mo, tay! Wait mo. Taas kamay! Hi, MJ. Mag-hi ka, MJ. Say hi, MJ. Ay, ayaw mag-hi ni MJ.